Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Carter and I make beauty, lifestyle, and DIY videos on my channel. But as you can tell from the title, today's video is a little bit different. So if you are a frequent viewer of my channel, then you know that I love calligraphy, like so many of you. You guys years ago started requesting calligraphy practice sheets from me. I am very, very happy to say that I have officially made you guys some practice sheets so that you can learn on your own in your own time. So I am so excited, and I just wanted to start off by saying that literally the only reason that this happened is because of you guys. So I want to thank you just because you guys help me step out of my comfort zone. Like, you offer me ideas and you make me believe in myself that I can make them happen, and you help me come up with new things, and I could not thank you enough. Like, literally, I could not thank you enough. You have no idea what a positive impact it is on my life. So I have calligraphy sheets for you guys, and in this video I just want to tell you a little bit about them, what's included, how I would use the sheets, the styles that they come in, and stuff like that, so that you have all the information that you need. We're just gonna jump into it. I'm gonna try to make it nice and short and sweet for you guys. I opened up an Etsy shop so that I could provide you guys with these. They are going to be an instant download. So literally right now you can click into my Etsy shop, purchase and download these as soon as your payment clears. You do not have to wait at all. Complete instant gratification. Couldn't be better. They are gonna be $3 per set. And that is, of course, US dollars. That's where I live. That's how I function. So like I said, they come in a digital form, and then you download them immediately and you are able to print them immediately on your home printer and start working right away. These are going to come in 2 styles. So this is my Zora Style, and it is the first alphabet that I ever learned. It is my basic cursive, and it is the perfect beginner font. And then the other one that we have is called Kate. Kate is named after Kate Middleton, and Zora is named after Zora Neale Hurston. The Etsy shop is called Carter's Calligraphy, and right now those are the only 2 items in there. Each set, the Kate set and then the Zora set, of course, are sold separately. So you're purchasing by the style of the alphabet. And then within each set, you are going to get an uppercase set, a lowercase set. Each set also comes with a blank template so that you can do whatever you want. You can come up with your own letter styles. You can practice my letter styles. That is completely up to you. And then in addition to just the uppercase and the lowercase alphabets completely written out, you are also going to receive a words sheet. So I have a couple of words and phrases written out so that you can practice linking your letters together and flowing smoothly. Okay, and then each of those worksheets, the uppercase, the lowercase, and then the words worksheets, they come in 2 different versions. And I did that in case people wanted to use them differently. So we have a version that is just completely solid black, and the words are nice and dark, and that's perfect for if you want to trace it onto another piece of paper, maybe using tracing paper or a light box. And then the other version of the worksheet is a dimmed version, so you have like 1 row of black, and then the rest of the letters are a lightened gray so that you can trace them directly onto the worksheets. I thought that that would be helpful. I know that different people want to do different things, and I wanted you guys to be able to get whatever you wanted out of these sheets. And then the other thing is that I've provided them to you in a PDF and a JPEG file. That way, no matter what programs you have on your computer, no matter what style of printer, either the JPEG or the PDF will definitely work for you. These are meant to be used with a smaller brush pen, so a Tombow Feud pen. I think that's actually said Tombow Feudenosuke, but don't judge me on that, okay? So Tombow Feud soft or hard pens, as well as the Pentel Sign brush pens, as long as they have the flexible nibs. I designed these to work well with that. You can also use them with faux calligraphy. And then one more thing that I want to mention is I did not vectorize these letters for you guys. And for those of you who don't know, vectorizing means that you trace the image and then it just turns it into this perfectly crisp, smooth, computer-generated shape for you. And it's very smooth and perfect. I did not vectorize these, and the reason why is because I want you guys to have a realistic representation of what letters should look like, should be like, and that is why I just copied and pasted the exact letter that I wrote. That way you guys can know, hey, sometimes she is a little shaky. I don't want to create false expectations. I think It's awesome that we aren't computers. I love that we're real people. I love that our handwriting isn't just absolutely perfect. That is why I did not vectorize them. At some point I can. Like, if you guys don't like that, maybe I can vectorize them. I still have all this. Leave me any feedback, any constructive criticism. I definitely want these to be perfect. I want you guys to have a great experience with these. That is all I have to say as far as talking about them, and then the rest of this video is just going to be a tutorial about how to download and use them. So if you want to see that, then definitely check it out. Thank you in advance to anyone who purchases these. I hope you guys enjoy these. I put a lot of time into them and I made them as perfect as I possibly could for you. And of course, everything that you need to find will be listed in the description box below. So thanks again, and I will see you very soon. Bye. Okay, so when you're logged into your Etsy account, go to the U tab and then scroll down to Purchases and Reviews. Make sure that you're on the Purchases tab at the top. It says it really big. And then when you're on this screen, obviously I don't have any purchases. It's a brand new account, but your orders will be listed, and as soon as your payment clears, you'll be able to download them. It's going to come as a zip file, so you'll need to use WinZip, or I think another program is called WinRAR, to unzip the files. So highlight them, click unzip, and then choose the location that you want to save them, and then go ahead and unzip them there. Then go ahead and open that containing file. Mine was saved in my documents, so I went there. And then click on the sheet that you would like to print. That's pretty self-explanatory. And then you want to make sure that you're doing the full page, and you want to do borderless or no margins. You want to make sure that you can print the entire page. So on my printer, it's called borderless instead of no margins. They could call it a couple of different things, but just make sure that you print it with no margins. And then when you get it printed off, you can use the sheets in two different ways. Like I said, you want to use the dim sheets like I'm using here to just trace over them directly on the sheet. And again, I'm using a Tombow Feud pen. I'll link those in the description box below. And then the other way to use them is to put another piece of paper on top and just trace them. So you can just do it this way. I had no trouble using it without a light box, but if you have a light box, you can put this on top of a light box as well, so that you can see it even easier through the other sheet of paper. So I hope that helps you use the sheets. Again, I will talk to you guys very soon. Have a good one. Thank you so much. Bye.